Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to prevent others from adding or removing apps on Windows. For a number of reasons, you might want to keep other people from downloading or removing apps from a Windows machine. For instance, if numerous users share a computer, you might wish to protect against unintentional system modifications. Make sure that only reliable software is installed or stop them from deleting necessary programs. Then I'll show you how to restrict their ability to install or uninstall apps in Windows. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is to use the group policy editor. All you have to do is open up on the search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this gpedit.msc and then click open. And once you open up this gpedit.msc or local group policy editor, and then next step, so here at local computer policy, and then you need to select user configurations, and then you need to select administrative template. So select and double click. And then next step, then you need to find and locate this start menu and taskbar. So here you need to click one time. So click one time. And on right side, then you can see here the start menu, taskbar, and settings. And then you need to find and locate this prevent user from installing applications from start. All right. So you need to find that. All right. So once you find this prevent a user from installing applications from start, so all you have to do is to select and then double click. And then pop-ups this settings. So prevent user from uninstalling applications from start. So this is the settings. So all you have to do is to select this enabled. And on right side, you can see here this options. So not configured, enabled, or disabled. And then you need to select enabled. So if you enable the settings, user cannot uninstall apps from start. Alright, so once you click this enabled, and then you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so once done here at gpedit.msc, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to disable Windows installers. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type services and then click open. And then once you open up the services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows installer. So scroll down and then select this Windows installer. So select, and then you need to double click. So here in a general properties, so you need to select this startup type. So you can see now this is the grayed out. So all you have to do is to select or click the service status start, and then wait. And then again, if you see this running, and then click stop and wait again, and then click OK. All right. So once you're done here at services status, and then we need to restart, and here click this restart and start menu. All right. So that's it guys on how to prevent others from adding or removing apps on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.